A Colorado baker lost an appeal today after refusing to make a cake celebrating a person who is transgender. Now, this is just one of several lawsuits Jack Phillips has been up against.
And today, a court ruled the cake ordered from Masterpiece Cake Shop is not a form of speech.
Jessica Porter spoke to the attorney of the woman who ordered the cake and is in the studio tonight.
And Shannon, the attorneys for the plaintiffs say that this ruling is a victory not just for transgender rights, but for all Coloradans who want to be treated equally under the law. Autumn Scardina ordered a cake from Jack Phillips of Masterpiece Cake Shop in 2017. The shop confirmed the order, but later, when Scardina told them that the cake was to celebrate her transition, the shop refused to make the cake. Scardina sued the shop for discriminating against her as a trans woman under Colorado's Anti-Discrimination Act. A Denver judge ruled in her favor in 2021. Jack Phillips appealed. Today, a judge upheld that ruling, concluding that making a cake does not fall under free speech, that Colorado's anti-discrimination law was not used unconstitutionally against Phillips, and that his religious beliefs do not exclude him from anti-discrimination laws.
It means a lot for not just transgender individuals in Colorado, but everybody in Colorado. We all should want our laws to be applied equally to everybody. And anti-discrimination laws cover race, gender, sex, religious beliefs, and so everybody is protected.
Phillips did win a partial Supreme Court victory after refusing to make a gay couple's wedding cake because of his religious beliefs. The Supreme Court also heard another case regarding Colorado's Anti-Discrimination Act back in December from a Christian graphic artist who does not want to design wedding websites for same-sex couples. The court has not made a decision, but seemed to be leaning towards siding with the web designer. Alliance Defending Freedom, the group representing Phillips in court, says they will appeal. They maintain that cakes are a form of speech and that the law is being used to force artists to create messages that are against their core beliefs. Live in the studio, Jessica Porter, Denver 7.